Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create transparent text box in Google Sheets document. So get started. At first, open your Google Sheets document. In this video, I will show create transparent text box. Now going to the insert menu option. Now click for it. Drawing option. Now click for a text box. Now create a text box. Now try from the transparent text box. Now text box from select. Now going to the three dot option. Now click for align, center align option. Then font size. Now text box from the border edit option. Now click for 3px. Now click for a fill color option. Then click for custom option. Now click for guide option. Then now click for OK. That is, now click for save and close option. That is. Then I show create transparent text box in Google Sheets is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.